It's 1:47 a.m. The room is dark except for the glow of your phone screen. You're lying in bed scrolling through YouTube, one video after another. Nothing catches your attention. Then you stop. A faceless channel, no camera, no expensive setup, no editing masterpiece, just simple AI-generated visuals, a voiceover, and a title that somehow pulled in millions of views. You tap the video. The first thing that hits you isn't the quality, it's the view count. 8.2 million views. You check the channel, 23 videos, 184,000 subscribers, over 20 million total views. The oldest upload, less than 90 days ago. You stare at the screen. One question keeps repeating in your head. How? How is a channel with no face, no studio, no team, and no expensive equipment, pulling numbers that most creators spend years chasing? So you do what everyone does. You open a new tab. You search for tutorials. One tutorial says you need 5 different AI tools. Another says you need a paid subscription. Another tells you to spend hours learning editing. 3 hours later, you're more confused than when you started. You close the laptop. The channel you were studying just gained another 1,000 views while you were still trying to figure out where to begin. I know that feeling because I was in the exact same position, watching other channels grow, saving tutorials, collecting tools, but never actually publishing. Until I discovered a workflow that changed everything. A workflow that takes you from a blank page to a finished video using tools that are either completely free or have generous free plans. No complicated setups, no technical background, no expensive software, just a system. And before I show you the workflow, there's one thing you need first. Not 10 prompts, not 20 different tools, not a course. Just one carefully engineered prompt. A single prompt designed to generate viral video ideas, full scripts, scene breakdowns, and everything you need to create content consistently. Once you have that prompt, the entire process becomes simple. Paste it into your AI assistant. Within seconds, you'll receive multiple video ideas, not random ideas. Ideas designed around topics people are already watching. Pick the one you like, hit enter, and what comes back isn't just an outline, it's a complete video script. That sounds logical. It's also the wrong approach. Most creators build the images first and then try to force a voiceover to match. The result feels disconnected. The pacing feels awkward. The viewer can't explain why they stopped watching. They just leave. The correct workflow is the opposite. Voiceover first, visuals second, always. Because the voice determines the rhythm. Every pause creates a scene change. Every sentence creates a visual opportunity. Every transition happens naturally. Instead of forcing visuals onto audio, you're building visuals around the audio. That's the difference. And that difference is what separates videos that struggle from videos that keep people watching until the end. Once your script is ready, generate the voiceover. Listen to it. Study the pauses. Those pauses become your scene markers. Now every image has a purpose. Every transition has timing. Every moment feels intentional. From there, generate the visuals scene by scene. Keep them simple. Most viral channels aren't winning because they have better graphics. They're winning because they have better storytelling. The visuals support the story. They don't replace it. Once your scenes are ready, bring everything into your editor. Place the voiceover first, then match each scene to the natural pauses in the audio. Watch the timeline come alive. You'll notice something interesting. The video suddenly feels smooth, not because of fancy effects, not because of expensive plugins, because the rhythm works, and rhythm is what keeps viewers watching. When the edit is complete, generate your title, description, tags, and thumbnail concepts. Don't treat these as an afterthought. The title earns the click. The thumbnail stops the scroll. The video earns the watch time. You need all three. Upload, publish, repeat. That's the entire game. Not perfection, not expensive tools, not endless research. Publishing, learning, improving. One video at a time. Because the creators getting millions of views aren't magically more talented. They simply found a system and followed it consistently. Now it's your turn. Start with one idea. Create one video. Publish one upload. A few months from now, someone else might be scrolling YouTube at 2 a.m., looking at your channel, wondering how you did it.